Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and hopefully this is the last video on this. I know you are maybe getting tired of it, but with the help of the mentor from Monster Macro and ECUTS, he told me to use a capital X. And my other person that did the video said when you make your text document, don't use the 1 as the top letter. He used the number sign. I used an X. So all I did is so I made a document and I just hit a 1 and then this return button and down to 2. And then I saved it as a text document. So I think anybody could do this. This is just inside of WordPad. And then open up Corel and you've got your 4" by 4" square that you want to cut out. The one thing you want to do is make sure that text is center justified so it'll work out better. Then open up ECUTS and go down to right here to variables. Let me tell you what, let me zoom in here a little bit. Then click on open database. There's I called it Doug's number, open. Click on that. Actually, we can close this down now. Click on that database and also click on your X. And then assign it a shape. Then select it all and apply it. And in that quick, it did put the numbers in the squares, centered, and perfect in that short a stroke. I'm going to do one more video. You know what? Let's just do it right now. Let's change our page size. Let's say you have a smaller laser than 48 by, let's say you have a 24 by just 12. Let's see what happens. Because those aren't going to fit. The 30 numbers aren't going to fit. But let's see how smart ECUT is, which I think it's pretty smart. So open database, Doug's numbers. Click on your X and your column right there and assign a shape. Then select the whole thing and hit apply. It made 3 pages. First page is 1 through 10. Second page is 11 through, it could have maybe put them all on one, not one page, but it could have made another column. But that's pretty cool. And if depending on how big your sheets are, you could probably always take this, go to Object, Order, Ungroup, and you could probably move, let's just move those 4. Right-click and copy, go to page 2, right-click and paste, and then you could bring those numbers in to there. Now, if you didn't see the other video, see it's really, really tight. And I made a video yesterday about just this when you're laser engraving. If you're matter of fact, it doesn't fit. Even though my bed is 12, it would fit, but it wouldn't be worth the hassle. So like I said in the video yesterday, it's a lot better to cut them like this and don't use save it right there and let it cut that line out. Now, if you'll back up to some of the other videos, well, let's just do it real quick. Let's open ECUTS again. It's kind of redundant. Let's see if I can find it. Remove duplicate edges. I'm going to set it on 0. I don't really understand the 0.004. And hit apply. It moved it over here, which is not a problem. You can delete those. But what it did do is it's not going to have to cut that box out entirely. It's only going to cut out each line one time. That's pretty cool. And if you don't know anything about ECUTS and Monster Macro, they have a lot. They have some free macros on their page. I mean, this is, or it was when I cut this out, was 60 bucks. It does a lot. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.